Here at St. Paul Harley-Davidson, we want to be everyone's one-stop resource for anything you could possibly think of when it comes to Harley-Davidson and riding motorcycles in general. We help people experience escape, find a community, and gain confidence. We are so focused and fixated on providing an enjoyable ownership experience, not just a purchase experience, but when you got to get your service done to it, when you need to buy some parts, when you want to come in here and get decked out in all the gear and all the clothing. We want you to receive an unbelievable ownership experience with your Harley-Davidson motorcycle.
For me, Harley-Davidson's real personal. Obviously, it's been a lifetime career, but a lifestyle. Our job is to keep them on the road. So whether we're doing maintenance to keep them running as long and as strong as we can, and I've had the opportunity to train over 1,500 technicians myself personally, and I'd put this team up against anybody.
I think it was just as a kid, you could hear the Harley coming as I'm in the car. Harley-Davidson, that name on the side of the gas tank with that iconic sound, and that's what really drew me into that. I don't care if it's a used Sportster to a $100,000 custom bike. We're going to treat them all the same because it goes back to that name on the side of the gas tank, Harley-Davidson.
We have actually the largest Motorclothes inventory in the Midwest, and we are here to help you find something comfortable that you like, that you fit in, and that's perfect for your style. We just want to make everybody feel so comfortable with us, like they know us personally, because you actually have that connection with the people that you're working with, which is amazing.
Ever since I was a kid, Harley was just the coolest thing on the planet. There's so much individuality, so much freedom in this particular brand. There's really so much for so many different people, whether you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're a plumber, an electrician, women especially. I'm seeing more and more women join the sport, and I think it's absolutely awesome.
One of the things about being a part of this dealership family is that it doesn't matter which salesperson you encounter, which Motorclothes person you encounter. When you walk in, it doesn't feel like a sales transaction to me. It's family. It's very much family.
We've got some of the highest customer satisfaction ratings in the whole Midwest. We care so much about you and your motorcycle. That is the backbone of who we are and what we do here at St. Paul Harley-Davidson.